Hello dear kids. Good morning. I am your Wrinkle Miss and welcome back to our computer class. Children, we are studying our chapter number 5, Introduction to Scratch Programming. Today we are going to learn the topic of this chapter is drawing a colorful circle, which is given on page number 47 in your computer textbook. So let's start our today's study. Drawing a colorful circle. Children, today we are going to draw a very beautiful and colorful circle in the scratch. To draw this colorful circle, we can use pen block. This pen block menu allows the sprite to draw lines on the stage as it moves. It means when the sprite moves on the stage, it will draw a line. And yes, we can change the color and thickness of the lines. Here on the screen, you can see pen block menu is given. Here this is pen block menu, and after clicking on this menu, it will display these all blocks, and using these all blocks we can draw colorful circle. So let's understand the blocks that we are going to learn today. Know about pen block. The first block is pen down. This block draws a line as the sprite moves on the stage. When sprite moves, it will draw a line. Here on the screen you can see this is pen down block. Yes, this is pen down block. Here, this red rectangle. Yes, this is pen down block. If you want to use this, you just have to click on this block from here and put it on the script area. So this pen down block draws a line. Next block is set pen size to 1. This block is used to set the thickness of the pen to a specific number. Here in the number box we can type any number. Here 1 is written. We can change this number by clicking on it. So set pen size, here the name is set pen size. So as it name, it will change the size of the line, means thickness of the line. We can draw thin or thick lines using this block. Here on the screen you can see set pen size block is given at the last. Yes, if it is not visible, I am just yes. So you can read this block name, set pen size to specific number. Okay, you have to just click and drag this block in the script area and then it will work. So this is set pen size block. Now next is third one, change pen color by 10. This block is used to change the color of the pen. It is very interesting because we can change color of pen. So using this we can draw different color line. Here on the screen you can see change pen color by specific number block in the pen block menu here. You just have to click and drag it to the script area to use it. Here written is 10. I am zooming the screen. Yes, you can now see clearly, change pen color by 10. This is the color number 10 color. Okay, so we can change it by clicking on it. We can change the number of color. Okay, so this is change pen color by 10 block. Using these 3 blocks, we are going to do a project in Sprite today. So let's start practically. How can we observe the movement of the sprite on the stage, and after the movement of the sprite it will draw a line on the stage. So let's do practically and learn. Children, you can see on the screen Scratch 2 offline editor main screen. Today we are going to draw a colorful circle. So for doing this, let us add some more blocks to the previous Scratch project that we have made about moving a sprite. In this, we have used these two blocks, move steps and turn right 15 degrees. These two blocks we have used. Now today we are going to move further in this project. Now let's add these two blocks to our script area. Just click and drag it to script area, both the blocks. Yes. Now let's read steps from the textbook and do as per the steps. First is click on the pen block menu. Yes, this is pen block. Click on it. Pen block. Yes. Now you can see all the blocks, green colored blocks on the screen. Second step is select the pen down block from the pen block palette. We have to select pen down block. So find the pen down. Yes, this is pen down block. Just click on it and drag out the block and place it underneath the turn right degrees block. Just paste it on the script area like this. Now next step is click and pull the set pen size block onto the script area. Place it below the pen down block and change the pen size value from 1 to 10. Set pen size here? Yes. Just click on it and place it below the pen down block here. Now change the number by 1 to 10. So just click on it and type 1010 from the keyboard. Now pen size is 10. Next step is drag out the change pen color by 10 block from the pen block palette and drop it at the end. Change the value from 10 to 20. Yes, change pen color and drop it script area. Now change the number by 10 to 20. Click on it. Yes. Now type from the keyboard 2020. Okay. Now keep clicking on any of the blocks in the scripts area till the sprite completes its colorful circle. So click on any block of this area because 5 blocks are now joined. So all 5 effects we can see together. Click. You can see the change on the stage. Sprite is moving, line is drawn, and this is colorful line. Yes. First is move, then after it will take turn. Then after pen down, then after size is our pen size is 10 and the color is 20, means colorful. 20 colors it is using. Click and complete a whole circle. Okay, now circle is completed. Let's drag the sprite after clicking on it and place it to the other place. Now you can see the whole colorful circle on the screen. The size is 10 of the line and the color is 20. Now change it to 5 and color by 10. Now let's see the change in the circle. Click. You can see the change on this stage. It is moving, turning, and also our pen size is to 5. So you can see the thickness of the line is decreased. Now color also changed because we have changed it to 10. Now complete the circle and see the change. Move the sprite. Yes. Now you can see this circle of size 5 and color 10. So this is all about drawing a circle. Children, this much study for today. I hope you all learn well and you will do this project at your home and enjoy it. Okay. So in next class we will go further in this chapter. Till then, stay safe, learn well. A very goodbye and thank you.